Hello and welcome to Start with Rafiq. My name is Rafiq Islam and I'm so excited to have you here as we embark to on this incredible journey together. Start with Rafiq. This channel is about helping you take the first step toward your goals, whether it's starting a new project, learning valuable skill, or simply finding the motivation to begin. And the best part, we'll do it using free tools, resources, and strategies that anyone can access. I believe that a great journey begins with a single step, and my mission is to make sure you have everything you need to take that step with confidence, no matter where you are starting from. Success in within you reach, and I am here to guide you every step of the way. On this channel, you will find tutorials on the best free tools and platform, tips to start project with zero investment, practical strategies for personal and professional growth, and motivation content to keep you inspired. So if you are ready to take the first step toward your dream, hit the subscribe button and join the community. Together we will prove that starting doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It just takes courage and right guides. Let's make every start count. Welcome to Start with Rafiq.